Hi, I am Lemon, and in this video I'll show you how to reset your TradingView chart back to its default settings. Let's get started. First, open TradingView and go to the chart you want to reset. If you have changed the chart layout, colors or added multiple indicators, don't worry. You can restore everything in just a few clicks. Click the settings icon at the top of the chart. Next, open the template tab. Then click apply defaults. This will reset your chart settings including the appearance, scales and other chart preferences back to the default configuration. If you still have indicators or drawing tools on your chart, you will need to remove them manually. To remove an indicator, hover over its name and click the trash icon. You can repeat the same step for any other indicators you no longer need. If you prefer dark mode, click your profile icon and switch to the dark theme. And that's it. Your TradingView chart is now clean and reset to the default settings. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple and easy to follow tech tutorials.